Hey there, welcome to the Cars and Detail Garage. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do a quick wash, just a maintenance wash on my son's 97 Volkswagen GTI. It's a driver's edition. So it is really dirty just from daily driving it. And what we're going to do is just clean it up, and hopefully you'll be able to see this time. I apologize for the last video, didn't have the exposure value set right. Hopefully this time I've got it figured out on my camera and we'll get it right this time. So hopefully you'll be able to see. The car is kind of weird because it's kind of half single stage and half clear coated. It's obviously been painted before, but you'll see what I mean in a minute. We'll do a walk around. Let's go dig in. Okay, so I'm sure you're all wondering, what am I going to use for the maintenance wash? Well, we're going to start with the soap. Koch Chemi's Gentle Snow Foam. This stuff smells great, works really great. It's a pH neutral soap, so meaning you can use it over and over again, which is good for your coatings. It's not going to strip any of that protection. We're also going to use Built Hamber's Auto Wheel. Now, this is a fantastic wheel cleaner. It has an iron remover, so it will get out all the brake dust, and it is pretty much touchless because it's an active wheel cleaner, and it will do a fantastic job of getting all of the brake dust and grime off of your wheels, the calipers, the barrel, everything. Next, I'm going to use the Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Now, I could use this also on the wheels. It does work also well. It does not have an active iron remover, but I like this for the tires because it really does a great job on the rubber and removing all the browning. And finally, to dress the tires, we'll use a little bit of Carpro Darkside, which I find just a fantastic product. None of these are sponsored. These are just the products that I like to use. Okay, well, this is the subject in question, and as you can see, the paint on this side is just single stage. There's no longer any clear coat or on the top, and hopefully you can see it's quite dirty. There's a lot of pollen and just rain spots all on the vehicle. And what you can see over here, it's just a little dirty, a little dull, but you can see front wheels and the rear wheels are just caked with brake dust. We're going to get rid of all this, make it all look brand new. And hopefully you saw the short earlier where I got rid of the bird poop. So the car is in good shape overall. Like any older Volkswagen or older car, it's got some quirks and some issues, but nothing major. Drives well, and it's a good car. So we're gonna get to work on this. We're gonna get it all cleaned up. So you can see here that we've got all of the purple iron remover is reacting with all of the brake dust on the wheel, and eventually we're going to spray that all off. Austin, are you going to give any of your stickers to any of the guys at work? Back inside the garage, I'm done washing, And we're going to add a little bit of protection, but instead of using the hydrofoam sealant, this time I'm going to try something new. Again, not sponsored, but I'm going to try this Armour Detail Supply Easy Beads. It says to spray three to four sprays per panel, work up from the bottom. So that's what we're going to do. Let's give it a shot. Apply some tire shine. Finished doing a quickie clean. Didn't do any of the trim like I wanted to originally, but you can see car's very nice and clean. You can see the wheels especially came out fantastic without any scrubbing. They look great. Car looks nice and clean now, as you can see. She looks great. Back inside the garage, what are my final thoughts on the Armour Detail Supply Easy Beads? Well, didn't spread as well as some of the other products I've tried, like Geon Wet Coat. And for you Canadians, I've got this, which works really well, can be bought at any local Canadian tire, not sponsored, obviously. But this works really well. Doesn't last very long, not as long as Geon Wet Coat, but it gives a great shine and it's super easy to use. I don't know if this would work with a regular garden hose. I imagine you could try it. Seems to be very forgiving. And this one I like a lot. And it's not super expensive, works great. So I would say the Armour Detail Supply Easy Beads. Does it work? Yes. How long will it last? No idea. It's supposed to last longer than Geon Wet Coat, but we'll see. So I sprayed it all over, sprayed it on the wheels and all the paintwork. So let's see how it turns out. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for coming by to Cars in Detail for the love of cars.